Oh. I was dragging my bobber along here, and a fish ate it. Let him get it a little bit more. Right next to the boat. Oh, he got off again. Oh, he wasn't big enough to eat this guy. Sorry, dude. But yeah, I was just moving and looked over, and my bobber was going down next to the boat. Put this guy out here where I intended to put him, and then since I didn't hook that other guy, I'll just let this guy out. That's so the biggest thing I didn't do there, because I wasn't ready for it, was you got to sit there and just let him chew on it. When I stood up, I scared him, and he still had the fish in his mouth, but he swam away with it, and it kind of pulled it out. So I was unable to get a good hook set. But good news is they're still feeding, even though it got dark out. Pike tend to like feeding when it's a little bit brighter out. But we will see if we can get some more fish or how the rest of the day goes. But so far it's been pretty fun. That one being right next to the boat was fun. Just need a true gator. I still need to beat 40. It feels big. Very big bluegill. Giant. Oh, I haven't seen one of you guys out here in years. Look at that thing. Big, like 10-inch male. Good to see. That's awesome. All right, big boy. All right, big guy. Don't get eaten.